Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe and comment. Turn your post notification on so that you can be notified every time I drop a video. So guys, I am at the train station and I am going to New York City for the weekend. Today is the 3rd of July, which is on a Wednesday. Tomorrow is the 4th of July. I don't know what's happening. I don't know who we are the 4th of July. This is my first time I celebrate the 4th of July. All I know, great fireworks is everywhere. I'm gonna try look for a description or a definition here of the 4th of July and then maybe try put it up here. But I tried to rush to the train station, so like I look like a mess. But this is my outfit. I had to make something to eat because I was like, oh, my train is coming, chapeau. Good morning, y'all. Happy 4th of July. So guys, today is the 4th of July. I am currently in New York at my friend's place. Okay, you guys can see by the setting, this is not my place. So happy 4th of July, guys. I am at my friend's place and yeah, no, it's a Maza. So you're supposed to go to this block party. It starts at 3 p.m. and it ends at 10 p.m. right? It's a day party, chilled vibes, drinks, food, good music. You know, black people with time and looks at last minute. That's exactly what we did. We did not buy our tickets. We thought we can just buy it on that day. Guys, the tickets went from $21 to $49. Time when we check on Google or on TikTok, it's the most popping. It's a popping kind of game. Party in New York today. So we're gonna miss that one because I am not paying $50 for a party. So we don't know what today's vibes are, but we're definitely gonna see fireworks. Yeah, she's currently getting ready. I don't know for what because I don't have a plan. I don't know. I'm just gonna take you guys with me because I do not have any solid plan or itinerary for today. We're just gonna go with the flow and see where today takes us. But hope you guys enjoy my vlogs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, turn guys your post notifications so that you guys can be notified every time I drop a video. And see you in the next clip. Hey guys. I'm recording, you also recording. Hey guys, we made it to Grand Central. What do you know? So we're here to get tickets for the subway. Yeah, I'm trying to get tickets for the subway now. I did, and mine are already tired. You can give Keisha her good for now.
That shit right up. Like you gotta bring that shit back. Bring that shit the fuck back.
Holiday season.
Hey guys, excuse me if my quality is really bad. I am recording with my Instagram because my camera is acting up on me, so excuse me. Hey guys.
Hello, my honey.
Hey guys, it's another day today. We are going to the pool. We're going to the water park. Yeah, yesterday was very hectic, like a lot was going on, but I'm gonna explain everything to you guys later on in the video. But we're going to the water park today. Let me just try sum everything up. So yesterday we went to the city. We did not have a plan. We just knew that we were gonna go to the city, sightsee a bit, eat, and then go watch fireworks, go back home. Because initially we had a plan to the day party, but the tickets prices went up so sharp. We changed that. So yesterday we went to the city, met up with a friend. What else? We walked around New York. We went to the hookah bar. Damn, we went to the hookah bar, and then so as I was editing, I realized that I did not finish what I was trying to say on my video, on some of the clip. So as I was saying, we went to the city. When we got to the city, we went to Starbucks, grabbed something to eat, to drink actually. I was the one who grabbed something to eat because I was a little bit hungry. And then we met up with a friend. We went to the hookah bar. And then after the hookah bar, we went to the train station. We wanted to watch the fireworks in New Jersey, in the skyline, so we could see the fireworks properly. So Shabu, further we went to instead of taking the train, we wanted to take the bus because it's quicker, but the bus was expensive. Okay, sharp, we get to the bus station, we buy the tickets. Kanti, we missed the first bus. The second bus comes at 9:40 and the fireworks starts at 9:20. We ran up and down the stairs trying to find an earlier bus. Kinda the line is long as well. Shapu. And then we eventually decided, let's just watch the fireworks go Times Square instead, because we won't make it to New Jersey in time. So we had to go back to the city and watch the fireworks there. We ran for our life, guys. We ran. Eventually we got there. The fireworks were still there, but it was crowded. It was crowded. I could not see much. I did not enjoy the firework properly. So after watching the fireworks, we went back to the hookah bar, and after that we went back home. But yeah, no.
I'm thinking about some of the past.
So don't give up on me.
I told Baba.
Say Natasha. I can't.
Over your own happiness. Because a lot of men, what they do is that when they break up, when they feel like the relationship is at the end, they hold on and then they cheat, and then they treat their partner badly, and they lose respect for their partner, and they lose care and time and dedication, and they lose the ability to create a safe space for their partner. And I would rather always 10 times out of 10 choose to break up with the person than live in a toxic environment with them. And the toxic environment is being brewed by those emotions which are not processing, which are wanting to break up.
I think if we can touch on that toxic environment, you have to understand some people live in that toxic environment because you get to still get a piece of that person. And there's a very thin line, guys. I always say this. There's three lines. I say there's love, there's obsession, and in between those two there's hate. And there's a very thin line between those two, like those three categories, right? And I think when you're in that breakup season in your relationship, or that finding out season of like saying I want to leave, you play around with those three themes of saying I'm obsessed, I'm hating him, etc. But I like what you're saying, the fact of like, dude, sometimes you break up with a person because you can see that person will never leave you, for example. There's
Hey guys, come with me to go watch fireworks. Today is the 5, 6, 7, 8, the 8th of July, and I'm gonna watch fireworks by myself because I am my own best friend.
Which is from the musical Rain, which is based on the book.
Little like bubble.